Showtime auditions where the judges grow tired. Competition is fierce as there only can be one winner.
Okay, now what's your name?
Tilly, or you can call me Rosa.
So why have you chose to enter Showtime?
Well, me here say, you get a trophy, cash prize, you get to support Shiesty, go on tour with Tinchy Strider.
Yeah.
Yes, it's Showtime.
Okay, let's just see what you got then, mate, yeah?
Hear me now? Wagwan popcorn. Hear me now? Real bad man, no Madalena shots, straight jeans cut up, you know. Everybody want to ask where me get me and what was that for? No start me in on a bump.
Bubble gum. And it's the bubble. And it's the bubble. Yo, listen, hey. The facts never blind. Soon enough, see my face on a man. Never gonna see my foot with a tag. No blackberry high, but a berry blackberries in the black bag. My black bag. Can't tell a good girl from a slag. Yeah, can't separate my voice from my track. I've come a long way, long wordplay. Okay, you're gonna have to pull that back.